You gonna jump? No. No jumping. June, what are you sitting on?
This.
What is it?
Pizza.
Refrigerator. What things do you want to wave to? Careful. You want to wave to everything? What are you waving to? Can you tell me?
Cereal bowl.
The cereal bowl.
9.
What?
9.
9?
8.
8?
7.
7?
6. 5, 4, 2, 1.
Wow, that was really good. I think you skipped 3?
Me 2 feet.
You think you skipped 3 too?
Me
Will you
too.
stay right there? Don't move. Don't move. You want that? What did you do?
For this.
You threw it? You threw it on the floor?
2.
You want somebody else to throw? Oh, you don't hurt your dinosaur.
I hold a dinosaur.
You're holding the dinosaur.
Me too. I pull our dinosaur.
You hold the dinosaur.
I pull at the up.
You pulled it off, yeah.
And I see I.
What?
I see I.
A smile?
I dinosaur jump.
The dinosaur. The dinosaur jumped. Is that what you said? The dinosaur jumped? The dinosaur's gonna jump? Here's something for you. How about this heart bracelet? Oh, you are sweet. Let's find some other things for you to throw, because it's fun watching you do it. How about this red toy? Let's see, what else can I throw? How about this napkin?
Yeah.
How about this napkin?
Num.
Mom's not gonna approve of this game.
Tessa. Did Tessa sit down June?
No. This is advanced sitting. Tessa is not ready for sitting up on the refrigerator.
Only one person at a time.
If you want to sit near Tessa, we can do that, but we have to get off the refrigerator. That's a strange thing to have to say. If you want to sit next to your sister, you can, but you have to get off the refrigerator.
Nice.
What?
Did Tessa have June?
You want Tessa to hug June?
The bed. The bubble bed.
On the bed?
The bubble bed.
On the blue bed. Well, what do you think? What do you think Tessa's gonna do right now?
Eat.
Eat. Yeah. So
Tama,
Tessa can't hug you right now.
the yellow puff.
Oh, she's gonna eat some yellow puffs.
It is this. I visit to Dada.
What? You want a biscuit?
I this go.
Oh, the basement.
I go. Open. The
You want-
Dada open door.
You want Dad to open the basement door?
What do you want to do down there?
Downstairs.
You want to go down the stairs?
Yeah, but no upstairs.
You just want to go down and stay down there?
Yeah.
You
And
wanna
do
go-
what?
I did this.
You just want to go down and see what's down there?
Yeah, but orange puffs.
Oh, you think there's orange puffs down there?
Yeah.
There are.
There are. You're
Me
right.
too. The Mickey Mama T.
The what?
The Mama T. I did. No, the Mickey.
Mama's tea?
Yeah,
And the Mickey mug?
the no mini.
No Minnie? In the Mickey mug? In the Mickey Mouse mug?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
Okay. Tell you what, let's get off the refrigerator so Mama can open it and get some food for Tessa. Okay, can you wave bye-bye? That's a strange wave. What are you doing?
This.
You're doing that. This is bizarre. Okay, that's a better. What were you doing before? Can you show me that again? Bye-bye.